In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to edit your end of year summer CMA email and SMS. As an admin user, go into Engine, go into the templates, and in email, you can type summer 2025 and you will see the digital summer CMA welcome email. By clicking the edit option, you'll be able to edit the subject at the top. You'll be able to edit the heading by using the edit in the paragraph widget, or you'll be able to edit the text in the email body, which we suggest you read and make it suit your business. And once you have made all changes, you will hit save. Once you have finished editing your Summer CMA email, we're going to show you how you can do a test send off to your sample test property in your database. When you have finished editing the email, you will go into the SMS and you will look at the Summer 2025 CMA Welcome SMS. To hit the edit option here, you simply need to read the SMS, change what is needed, and then you'll be able to hit the save option. Once you have edited your email and SMS, let's look at how we can send this to a record in your properties database. Once you have edited the SMS and email, please go to your test property where you are attached as the vendor and go into the send email option. In the select template, select Summer 2025 Welcome Email. This will then load your email with all of the changes you have made, and you'll then need to send this email to yourself. Please check that it merges all the correct detail and that the CMA opens and shows you the market stats. To test the SMS, if you have SMS set up, you will go send SMS on your test record. You will then use the Summer 2025 SMS. You'll update the preview, pick who it's coming from, and you will then send that SMS. Once you have tested your SMS and your email, you will then be able to book in your summer email and SMS send to your potential and appraisal owners in your database by using the link provided in the email that we have sent you.